How to create drop-down menu and multi-level menu with categories in WordPress. Hello and welcome, my name is Amulya and you are watching TechTube. This video is going to be helpful if you are looking forward to create menus with your categories and specifically drop-down menus and multi-level menus. Alright, so let's get started. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you think this is helpful, and share to the needy ones if you think they can benefit from this video. Alright, so let's get started. Before we get started, I assume that you already logged in into your WordPress admin area. If you haven't, go ahead and log in. Otherwise, the process is going to be very simple, and hopefully once you watch this video, you will be able to implement whenever and wherever you are in WordPress whenever you need it. So it's not necessary to follow the instruction with me, it's just that you need to know how you can do it. So let's get started. So there are two types of categories in WordPress. The first one is, which is by default you get when you install WordPress, is the posts categories. You can see it here. By default you get uncategorized category, and you can add more categories if you'd like to. So that's the first category that you get with WordPress. You can have multiple. I do not have them. Okay, the second one is WooCommerce, the product categories. When you add this plugin to convert your WordPress or add the feature of e-commerce into your WordPress, and then it becomes WooCommerce. And here are the product categories. You can see you can get under products. These are the categories that you have. So I'm going to use these categories to create drop-down menus and basically multi-level menu in the drop-down. So these are three categories, basically four. This is uncategorized, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use these three categories. So let's get started. So to customize the categories, you simply go to appearance and then go to menu. You can get from here, not from there, from here only, but if you are like here, you can get to menus here by clicking this. Alright, so let's get started. You can see these are options if you already have WooCommerce activated. If you do not have, that's the three options are going to be available to you. So categories, custom, and post, pages as well, 4. And as soon as you add WooCommerce, you'll get products, product categories, product tags, and endpoints for WooCommerce. So you can see I've created these menus, multi-level drop-down menu. I can go ahead and remove them if I do not want them, and then I'll quickly go ahead and show you how you can add them. So let me save it and go to the front page and refresh it. You can see the drop-down menu has just disappeared. So now let's go ahead and create it. So to create it, you simply go ahead and select the categories. In this case I'm going to select from this product categories. You can go ahead and select from post categories. So I've selected them. Select all of them. If you've got multiple categories, you can go ahead and search and you'll find here, and then you have to select once that you want to add to the menu, and then hit add to menu, and these are the menus under menus. So if I go ahead and save it, this is how it's going to look like. Everything in same list, unordered list. Now let's go ahead and make them drop down menu. So I can go ahead and just press it, hold the left tab button on your mouse and drag towards right and leave it like this. like this, go ahead and save it. So this is basically first level of the drop down menu, just with one level. You can see it. You can create two level menu. So simply go ahead and drag, hold down any button that you want to make another drop down menu under any specific category, and then save it. And this is how you can create multi-level drop down menu like this. Okay, or this is going to look slightly different. You can see it now. Alright, so that's how you create drop down menus in WordPress. Basically multi-level drop down menus with categories in WordPress and WooCommerce, with article categories and product categories as well. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thanks again. Bye for now.